Hi everyone, today I'm working directly from the Imagine to print some papers, and just in case you didn't know how to do that on your Imagine or even from your Gypsy, there's an application here that says print paper. So I'm going to click on that. I want to create a whole 12 by 12 sheet. I'm just using my finger here. I'm going to use click here to select a pattern, and I've already done one in this color. And I want to do my second one in this cute salt and pepper shaker pattern. So I'm going to click that and hit next. Now if I was using this for a layout, I would turn the overspray on to about a medium, but because I'm just using this for sections of my project, I don't really need a whole 12 by 12. I'm not really concerned if there's a little bit of white edge on this paper. I'm going to hit next. And then I'm going to go ahead and load my mat and print out my paper. Okay, I quickly wanted to show you my Gypsy. I have my Gypsy set up here with these images, salt and pepper shakers on them. I'm printing out doubles because I think I want to pop up the images. Whoops. And I also printed out some circles and some blank circles, and these blank circles will have the salt and pepper paper pattern that I showed you earlier. Just so you know, I also have a 12 by 12 sheet of this pattern, a 12 by 12 sheet of this pattern, and I cut out an 8.5 by 11 in this, and this is actually just a kind of a beige color that is in the color palette for Kate's Kitchen. 8.5 by 11 so that I could put it through my printer with the invitation information. Okay, so I have all my components laid out here, and I just want to give you the sizes for everything that I'm going to be using. This sheet here that I printed out is an A2, so it's a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and this is a quarter smaller on all sides, so it's a 4 by 5.25. I have the 3 salt and pepper shakers. This one is a 3 on the Gypsy, so this is true size. It's a 3 on the Gypsy, a 2 on the Gypsy, and the small one is a 1 1/2. The circles for the salt and pepper pattern, the biggest one is 4, the middle one is 3, and the small one's 2 1/2. And then for just the cream color, this is a 3.5, a 2.5, and a 2. So these are all within a 1/2 inch of each other, and the same with this. So this is a 3. The biggest circle that it sits on is a 4. I'm sorry, this one here, 3, 4, and the small one is a 3 1/2. So those are the sizes, and I'll also give you the sizes for the strips for the napkin holders and bottle holders. Okay, so I went ahead and these are the strips for the napkin holder and the water bottle, and the napkin is 7 by 1, and the bottle holder is a 3 inch by 11 inches, and that's, you know, that's for a standard size water bottle. That'll get around it so that it goes all the way around. And again, the napkin holder and the water bottle. So these are all the components that you'll need right here. I put information on the little invite from my printer. Apparently this is going to be an option for you to do on Cricut Craft Room, and I haven't messed around with it, but just so you know. And I used my Gypsy to lay everything out. Now I'm going to put the pieces together and I'll show you the final product. I just wanted to make a quick note. Here's the invitation that I made, and I had cut out a circle pattern for this as well because I thought I would be using it on the outside of the envelope, but I decided that it looked cute by separating the 2 little salt and pepper shakers and putting them right on the invitation, separated. So all I did for this was cut off the arms on the inside part of the salt and pepper shaker, and I left these back, and then you can see I popped up the salt and pepper shaker, but on the popped up one I cut off both the arms because I wanted it to look a little bit more dimensional. So you really don't need the mid-sized circles. There's no reason to cut those out for this project.